Bharatpur is situated in the state of Rajasthan and lies about 190 kilometers southeast of Delhi. The journey by road takes about 4 hours and by train around 3 hours. It is a birdwatcher's paradise in the northeastern Rajasthan area near the UP border with the golden triangle of Agra, Delhi and Jaipur, about 43 kilometers from Mathura. The usual route taken is National Highway 2 to Mathura via Palwal, Hodl, etc. However, we chose to take the Yamuna Highway and took out our car at the Mathura crossing. The journey time from Delhi to Mathura was around 2 hours only, but clear the traffic jam and the chaos inside the Mathura city took a long time as compared to our journey from Delhi till Mathura. However, after some efforts, we did make it through, and thereafter you cross over the National Highway 2 and head towards Rajasthan. The roads here are very nice and well maintained, and we could reach Bharatpur in around 3.5 hours drive from Delhi without a hitch by taking the Yamuna Expressway. It was quite overcast as has been during the previous days. Bharatpur is the hunting ground of the Maharaja of Bharatpur, and the city teems with small destinations which one can visit, like the Lohagarh Fort, the Bharatpur Palace, which is beautiful hammams or bathing places which they had copied the Mughals, the King Surajmal statues, and temples like the Ganga temple and the Ram Lakshman temple in Bharatpur. Apart from that, the main attraction is the Keoladev Ghana Bird Sanctuary of Bharatpur, which is a major tourist attraction from November up to March. When then, apart from the resident birds, there are many migratory birds which flock in to this destination from throughout the world. This destination was famed for the visit by the Siberian cranes, but because of the disturbance in the Afghanistan border during the previous few years, these birds were last spotted in Bharatpur in 2002, and sadly, as on date, there are no Siberian birds which can be sighted. However, there are plethora of birds which a bird watcher can enjoy watching in this pristine destination, which houses around about more than 300 species of birds which are, as I narrated earlier, both residents as well as migratories. There are a large number of waterfalls which can be seen, and the most noticeable waterfalls coming to the park are the bar-headed and grey-legged geese. Apart from them, there are a variety and plethora of ducks like the pintail, common teal, ruddy shelduck, mallards, widgeon, shoveler, common shelduck, red-crested pochard, gadwals, etc. And because of this large variety of birds available in this park, predatory birds like the imperial eagle, steppe and tawny eagle, spotted eagle, marsh harrier and lagar falcon are attracted towards the park as well for completing the avian food chain. The marshy area of this park is only about 11 square kilometers, and remaining of the 28 square kilometers is covered by marsh swamps, and dry bushland, which again nourish a large number of birds the year round, like the partridges, sunbirds, sparrows, parakeets, orioles, owls, etc., which live in these bushes as well as in the burrows. There are animals like the black buck, sambar, the largest Indian antelope, spotted deer, and nilgais, along with some wild piglets which can also be seen in this park. Pythons can also be observed at the park lazing around in the mid afternoon sun. Hope this video of mine helps the visitors to choose the destination to visit.
नॉर्दर्न सॉबलर है, ये मेल है। सामने ग्रीन वाला नॉर्दर्न सॉबलर, ये यूरोप से माइग्रेशन करता है। ग्रीन वाला ग्रीन हेड है ये, और ब्राउन और वाइट दिख रहा है, मेल फीमेल है। नॉर्दर्न सॉबलर
कहाँ पर है?
मेरा सर इधर राइट साइड में पूरा वाइट दिख रहा है, फीमेल है और एक मेल।
अरे बड़े लाइट को में जावे तो
चलो।
देखते